Go ahead. Good. Everybody, so if you can see, I got the starter out. There's a whole bunch of crap sitting on the ledge of the block. Obviously that starter hasn't been out in a while. A couple bits of chip paint. Looks like some sort of piece of metal chunk, actually. Yeah, no idea what that is. Probably a pin for something. There's that. But starter's out. And it was dead. I went to start the truck up for the first time in 2 weeks. And just nothing. Wouldn't push the solenoid all the way in. Just not getting anything. Obviously it's throwing it out. But motor's not turning over. Not sure why. But let's take this apart and look at it. Obviously there's a whole bunch of oil from the engine sitting on it. But I've never had one of these apart. So I'm going to look up a couple videos and do some research before I start tearing it apart. Because it is only 7 years old. So I don't think I'm going to be able to overnight parts for this. So I'm going to try and do it the right way and do it smart. As strange as that sounds, doing it the right way. Alright, let me get back to you. So I just removed the cap on the knee action shocks. It took me a little bit, I had to fight it. And you can see from the screw, it took a little bit of fighting and I had to heat it and spray some PB blaster on it in order to get it loose. But I was able to get it loose, and I looked down there, the safety valve's there, but I don't have the hydraulic oil that is required. A lot of people use 10W20 hydraulic oil. Somebody's driving out there. Hydraulic oil, and I don't have that right now. So what I'm gonna do is just put everything back together for the day and get the oil, and then do this another time. But it was a lot of work to get that screw off. That was a big pain. I spent probably half an hour trying to get that thing, break that thing loose. And I ended up using the same chisel that I used to take my hubcaps off. And I actually just put it sideways in it and used the torque that I had to turn it loose. Alrighty. And that's another project I have to do. I have to rebuild the steering box because I refilled it a few weeks ago and now the whole suspension is lubricated. So that's good.